Okay, good morning students. Now today we have to see the exercise 3.3. Okay, exercise 3.3 which is based on typically the parallelogram. The exercise 3.3 which is related to the parallelograms only. Okay, now question directly second, because question number first is based on the property. You have to solve easily. That's why I start the question second directly. Okay. So question second is, consider the following are parallelograms, both are parallelograms, and find in that x, y, z. Find the value of x, y and z. Now see the first numerical. In that x, y, z are given and one angle is 100 degree, and we have to find the remaining three angles and only one angle is given to you. Now angles are given, so definitely we are going to use the property of parallelogram related to the angles, and we know the two properties of parallelogram related to angles are opposite angles are equal and consecutive angles are supplementary. Okay, तो opposite angles are equal, तो कैसे लिखेंगे? फर्स्ट ABCD is a parallelogram. अगर ये पैरेललोग्राम है ABCD, तब जाके हम उसके अंदर ये प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे. अगर ये लाइन नहीं लिखी तो आपके सॉल्यूशन को कोई यूज नहीं है. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट और फर्स्ट लाइन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो ABCD इज अ पैरेललोग्राम इन दैट एंगल B which is equal to angle D. Why? Reason opposite angles are equal. Opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. So angle B is given 100 degree. तो angle D कितना आएगा? 100. and angle D मतलब क्या है? Y. So Y is equal to 100 degree. Understood? Opposite angles Y is equal to 100 degree. Now ये अगर 100 है, now angle B and C are consecutive. Consecutive means sum कितनी होगी उनकी? 180. So angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 sum, because consecutive. Because consecutive angles are supplementary. Okay, so angle B is 100 plus angle C which is equal to 180. I want angle C, तो एक साइड में ये 100 प्लस इधर जाके माइनस हो गया, तो 180 माइनस 100 कितना आएगा? 80. तो एंगल C I got 80 and C is nothing but the x. C is nothing but the x. So angle x is equal to 80. Angle x is equal to 80. Now y मिल गया, x मिल गया, z रह गया. Now C and A are opposite angles. ये opposite है, तो x अगर 80 है तो z कितना आएगा? ऑटोमेटिकली 80. तो कैसे लिखोगे आप? एंगल C which is equal to angle A. Opposite angle C is equal to 80. So angle A is equal also 80. लेकिन A क्या है? Z. तो Z is also 80. Okay, x, y and z. Only using the properties. Opposite angles are equal. Consecutive angles. Here also opposite angles property. Okay, simple. Now next, here we have to find the value of x, y and z. Z is exterior angle is given one. Okay. Now these are the two consecutive angles. These are the consecutive angles. So angle 50 plus angle y which is equal to 180. Reason is consecutive angles. ओके, ये दोनों कॉन्सिक्यूटिव है तो दोनों की एडिशन कितनी होगी? 180. Therefore y angle y which is equal to 180, ये प्लस है, इधर जाके माइनस होगा 50, तो कितने आएगा 180 माइनस 50 इज 130, तो एंगल y इज इक्वल टू 130, एंगल y इज 130। अगर ये 130 है तो ये भी 130 आएगा, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल, सो एंगल y which is equal to angle x, opposite angles are equal, but y is 130, so angle x is also 130, opposite angles are equal simply, so x is also 130। now ये दोनों ऑपोजिट एंगल्स है, ये 50 है तो ये भी कितना आएगा, इधर का 50 आया। now here linear pair is become, here the linear pair is become 50 and z are in linear pair, 50 and z are in linear pair, तो linear pair की सम कितनी होती है 180, तो एंगल 50 प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 180, यहाँ पर लीनियर पेयर के एंगल बन गए इधर, तो एंगल 50 प्लस z इज इक्वल टू 180, तो z इज इक्वल टू ये 50 इधर जाके माइनस होगा, तो 180 माइनस 50 हाउ मच 130, तो z इज आल्सो 130, तो z इज आल्सो बिकम 130। okay, so basic these numericals are based on only properties of parallelogram, okay, now first and second, now next numerical we have to see, write on that, only you have to learn the properties clearly, then and then only you can easily solve the numericals based on this parallelogram, only based on the properties. So first thing you have to learn all the properties properly, okay. Now next is question number 3rd. Y 30 x here z 90 is given, okay. Now in that also we have to find the value of here x, y and z, okay, x, y and z, same using the properties of angles, okay. Now it is also parallelogram, okay, it is also parallelogram, we have to give the name A, B, C and D, okay. It is 90 degree, it is a 90 डिग्री, ये 90 डिग्री है तो x भी कितना आएगा 90 डिग्री, यहाँ पर देखो यहाँ पर 90 है तो ये ऑपोजिट एंगल हो गया इसके, ये 90 है तो ये भी कितना आएगा सेम एज इट इज 90 आएगा, तो ये 90 है तो x कितना आएगा ऑटोमेटिकली 90, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स, ओके। फर्स्ट आंसर तो मिल गया है। नाउ कैसे लिखेंगे हम, ABCD is a parallelogram in that angle x is equal to 90 degree because opposite angle, दो लाइन अगर एक दूसरे को कट करती है तो क्या फॉर्म होते हैं ऑपोजिट एंगल्स होते हैं, एक 90 तो दूसरा भी कितना आएगा 90, दैट्स व्हाई एंगल x is equal to 90, तो x मिल गया। नाउ y फाइंड करना है, ये 30 है तो ये ट्रायंगल बन गया, ये यहाँ पर सपोज एंगल O नाम होगा COB, इन दैट ट्रायंगल में एक x 90 है b 30 है तो y फाइंड करेंगे, सो इन ट्रायंगल COB एंगल O प्लस एंगल B plus angle C, angle O plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Why? Angle sum property. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ट्रायंगल के तीन एंगल के एडिशन कितनी होती है 180. तो एंगल O is 90, B is 30, angle C is Y 180 degree as it is. Okay, 90 plus 30 120 plus Y is equal to 180. Simply we have to find the value of Y. 120 minus होगा 180 minus 120 which is 60. So Y becomes 60. Here X is a 90. Only remaining is Z. Where is Z? Here. Now here we have to find the value of Z. Okay. In that it is 90. Automatically it is 90. Now we have to find the value of Z. Now Y becomes 60. Y 60 मिला इधर. तो because of these lines, the Y and Z are become alternate angles. Y and Z becomes alternate angles. So Z is equal to also 60 degree. So angle Z is equal to directly 60. Alternate angles. Because of these two lines, angle Z is also 60 degree. Okay, understood all of you? Or another which is method we have to find the value of Z. What is another method? Okay, leave that, it is simple. These are the two parallel lines. And in that it is the transversal triangle Y and it is the Z. ये Y है, ये Z है. So these are become alternate angles. That's why Z is equal to 60 degree. Okay, write on that. Okay, like that you have to solve the exercise 3.3. Okay, next numerical. Here is 112 x z. Here is 40. Here is y. Okay. Question number 3. In that we have to find the value of x, y, and here z. Okay. Y directly we can say that it is 112. Why? Opposite angles are equal. We have to give the name P, Q, R, and S. Okay. Let P, Q, R, S is a parallelogram. P, Q, R, S is a parallelogram, and in that, by observing, we can say that अगर ये P, Q, R, S parallelogram है, तो in that angle S is equal to Q. Angle S is equal to angle Q. Opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. Angle S is Y. Angle Q is 112. So directly we got angle Y is equal to 112. Okay. Now in the upper triangle, इस triangle में PSR, P is 40, Y is 112, तो X मिलेगा. यहाँ पर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी यूज करेंगे इस ट्रायंगल में. S P S R. So in triangle P S R, इस triangle में, ऊपर के triangle में, we have to use the angle sum property of triangle. So in that, angle P plus angle S plus angle R is equal to 180. Angle sum property of triangle. Okay, angle P is 40, S is 112, plus angle R means X. Okay, half R means X is equal to 180. So 2, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1 plus X is equal to 180. Okay, X is equal to 180 minus 152. Okay, so X is equal to how much? 180, 152, 71, 8, 2. Okay, so 28 degree. So X becomes 28 degree. Okay, Y मिला, X मिला, Z रह गया. Okay, so these are the two parallel lines. देखो, S and it is a, तो ये अगर X है, ये Z है, तो both are alternate angle. X and Z both are alternate angles. So both are equal. Alternate angles are equal. So angle X which is equal to angle Z, alternate angle. Alternate angles. Angle X is 28 and angle Z. So Z is also 28. Why? Because X and Z are alternate angles and alternate angles are equal. So we got X, Y and Z. Very simple. Understood? Like that you have to solve the remaining numericals of the exercise 3.3. Okay? Thank you.